For this question, it's kind of interesting. They're distracting you a little bit with this quadratic function. So even though it's graphed for you, yes, we can see that. They're really just asking for the equation of the line that goes through these 2 points. And the way that we really know that is when we essentially implement the first tip from the Triple T Tom's Testing Tips for the Math of don't look at the answer options right away, they'll only confuse you. However, it can be useful to look at the answer format. When we look at the answer format, notice that all of them are equations to a line. More specifically, they're in standard form. We'll get to that in a moment. But let's go ahead into Desmos. And if we have anything else, we can go ahead and delete it here. And we're just going to create a table. We're going to press plus, table. We'll type in 2. I like to use the tab key to just go over to the right, -4. Now notice if I press enter, it goes to this Y field. Something that's good to know is if I hold shift and then press tab while still holding shift, it actually does the opposite direction as the normal tab. So now I'll type in -4, tab 2. I'll click this add regression. By default, it does linear regression, which is what I want anyway. And notice we have y equals -x minus 2. So let me go ahead and scroll down a little bit, and we'll just write this down as if it's on our scrap piece of paper. And we can see that none of these are in this slope-intercept form. However, it's pretty safe to say that we can eliminate the answer options that have 6s in them because ours has a -2 in it. So we'll eliminate those. And now we just need to rearrange it to be in this form. In other words, we definitely need x to be on the left side. Right now it's on the right side, and it's currently a negative. So I'm going to go ahead and add x to both sides. And now we have x plus y equals -2, which is the same as y plus x equals -2 based on the commutative property of addition, and that matches with option D.